Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the real life application of Laplace transform using design thinking approach. Can any one of you tell me what is the design thinking and what are the stages involved in it?
Actually, design thinking is a problem solving statement with human centric approach. There are 5 basic principles of design thinking: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and testing.
Oh, very good. Now let me give you the empathy part and then one of you can solve the define part and ideate part. Okay, let me tell you. So this is the problem. A car suspension system experiences a sudden road bump modeled as a unit impulse function which is called as the direct delta function. As an engineer empathizing with the driver's discomfort, model the system's response using Laplace transform. So we are going to define for this problem. So any one of you can write out the problem.
So for the given problem statement, the mathematical equation is given us, and we can define this problem statement by using the Laplace transforms.
Okay, very good. So we have completed the empathy part and define part also we have defined the problem. So using Laplace transform of second order differential equations, we can find the ideate part. So you can solve the problem.
Right, this is the actual term which we are having as the empathy part is given. So using Laplace on both sides, we can actually solve the equation and we can get the answer. So the Laplace which we take on this side is L of y double dash by L of y dash and 6 L of y. It's actually given the question, just we are taking the Laplace. For L of y double dash, we are actually having the formula that is the s square L of y minus y of 0 and minus s of y dash of 0. And the L of y dash, we are also having a formula, that's a partial derivative formula. So s of y minus y of 0 and here 6 L of y. And here L of 2, for a constant, it came with 2 by s. Okay, let's solve the formula. Y of 0, we are having the value that is 0. So s square L of y minus 0. As same, we having the value y dash of 0 is also 0. It's 0. Plus s of y. As well, y of 0, the value is 0. And 6 L of y is equal to 2 by s. By simplifying that, we get s square L of y. And multiplying the s of y with 5, we get 5 times of s of y. And here 6 times of L of y. Taking L of y as common, we can get it as s square plus 5s plus 6. As well, we have 2 by s as a constant on the right side. Right. Actually, we have separated the Laplace equation and we are taking L of y as common. We are having a factorizable equation that is the s square plus 5x plus 6. Just multiplying with s, this L of y is equal to 2 by s into s square plus 5s plus 6. it is actually a factorizable equation. That is 2 into 3, you get 6. By adding this, you get the answer 5. So L of y is equal to 2 by s into s plus 2 into s plus 3. Right. It actually looks like a partial fraction method. So taking partial fraction, L of y is equal to a by s, b by s plus 2 and c by s plus 3. So just modifying the answer like
Okay, let the others tell the answer. What is the answer for A, ma?
Actually, the A value is 1 by 3.
Okay, using partial fractions, we can find the values of A, B and C. So the value of A is 1 by 3. Very good. What is the value of B?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. And the value of C? Minus 1. Good.
yeah, we actually get the values as a, b and c. That's if we substitute in the equation which we are having. That is L of y is equal to 1 by 3 by s plus 2 by 3 by s plus 2 and minus, which actually get in the given minus, and 1 by s plus 3. This here coming to the right side becomes inverse. That is y is equal to 1 by 3 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 by 3 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 and L inverse of 1 by s plus 3. So the final answer which we get y is equal to, if it's a constant, it becomes 1. That is 1 by 3 into 1. That is L inverse of 1 by s is 1. And L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. This actually looks like the formula L inverse of 1 by s plus s by a. If it is positive, it comes with the formula 2 by 3 e power minus at. So here the a value is 2. So e power minus 2t. And here L inverse of 1 by s plus 3 as well as 1 by s plus 3 means e power minus 3 by t. By using this equation, we can actually change the suspension of the car, where driver can easily drive the car comfortably. Thank you.
Hope you all understand how to use design thinking concept for solving the Laplace equations of second order. Okay, we can discuss the another concept in next class. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.